Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, today we're out in the shop again and we are changing the spark plugs out on this 2009 Smart Fortwo. This is the 451 model. And to start with, we opened up the back end here to expose the motor. And as you can see, the spark plugs are located right there under those 3 coil packs. So to do this job, you're obviously going to need the new spark plugs. You're going to need a 10mm socket. And then you're going to need the appropriate size spark plug wrench. And the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and loosen the little electrical connections that are right here. That one, and that one, and pull them to the side. One thing to note is the left coil, you cannot get the plug all the way off until you've loosened that bolt and twisted it just slightly to slide that coil wire off. So next thing we're going to do is loosen those 3 bolts, and then we will be able to get the coil packs pulled out. Another thing to note is it may be necessary to take this hose off of the air injection pump to access the last bolt on the right coil. So all 3 coils are out, and one thing to note is if you see any oil on the shaft of this coil pack, that would indicate that you have a leaking valve cover gasket, I believe it is. So that's something that should be looked into eventually. But for now, we're just going to clean this up and go ahead and put it back together, and that'll be a project for a different day. So next thing is we're going to go ahead and take the spark plugs out. So a 5/8 inch spark plug wrench fits well. And one trick is to put a little piece of tape in the end of it to tighten it up so you can actually use it to pull the spark plugs up. So we'll go ahead and start taking those out. So there's the old spark plugs and there's the new ones. It looks like those were the factory plugs that were in it. Probably never been changed out. If you look at the gap on them, you can tell they're pretty well worn there if it'll focus. I'll see if I can stick a feeler gauge in there. They're supposed to be 35 thousandths, so I'll stick a feeler gauge in and see where they're at. So there's the 2 next to each other. The one on the left is 35 thousandths. The one on the right is about double that when you put the feeler gauge in there. So the new ones are gapped, and we'll go ahead and put them in. So all the plugs are in and tightened down, and we'll go ahead and slip the coils back in and reverse the process, putting it all back together. So one thing we did notice right here was a little spot on that wire right there where the air injection hose had been rubbing on it. So we'll tape that up while we're in here. It hasn't gotten into the copper of the wire yet. It's just on the jacket of the wire. So we'll clean that up and get everything put back together. Check out the link to the parts in the description. And remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.